Two people did the same problem two different ways. One person got the answer of 31 and another person got 15. So which one is right? Well, it depends on which one followed the order of operations. You might have learned it as PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. We're going to do grouping symbols, then exponents, then you multiply and divide in order from left to right, and then you add and subtract in order from left to right. So let's take a look at these two solutions. The first person did the 15 divided by 5 first and got the 3. Then they did the 3 times 3 and got the 9. Then they did 40 minus 9 and got 31. The second person started with 40 minus 15 because that's the first thing they see when you're moving left to right. They got 25. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. Who was following the order of operations when they started the problem? The first person started with the division and the second person started with subtraction. This is correct. You have to do all your multiplying and dividing before you do any adding and subtracting. So we know the correct answer is not 15, it's 31. If these little math puzzles are fun for you, drop a like on this, make a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.